TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. So make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 77, NASDAQ off 48, S&P's down 12, gold contract up $9.80, trading at $1,297 an ounce. Silver up 9 cents, $18.51 an ounce. Copper $2.21 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.14, $45.53 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note up 8 ticks, 130.01. 30-year bond up 8 ticks, 163.10. King dollar down 252 ticks, trading at 97.44. The euro is trading. Where is it? The euro is trading at $1.10, and the yen is at 103.42. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so check it out. We got to a price point today of $209.23. You rejected that lower price. You had lighter volume. You're going into Brexit, which had 333 million shares. That's saying, guess what, folks? This thing wants to bounce up to 211.71, and right now we're at 209.71. Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. What we have with the Dow Industrials is this. Dow Industrials, that's interesting. Now, the Dow's let's see. Yeah, the Dow's the same setup. We got down, yesterday the low was 17,940. We got to 17,931. We closed at 17,959, and that's why it is a close call, but bottom line, it rejected it. And had lighter volume. We did 994 million. Now, the composite, the NDX in the composite. So check this out. So here, we'll do Facebook first. Facebook just come out. Facebook closed at 127.17. It's trading 124.71. That being said, guess what? We go into the NDX 100. I'll use the Qs. The Qs still want to bounce. So this is going to be intriguing watching how this whole thing's going to shake out, folks, because what the Qs did is this. The Qs got to a price point today of 114.89. The low yesterday was 115.10. We closed at 115.18. That sets up a bounce into 116.74. So this is going to be wild watching the next 5 minutes shake out even inside these futures, because the futures have been bouncing all over the place. They nailed the futures, meaning they sold off the futures, the NQ futures coming into the close out here. The low today in the futures was actually after the low intraday at 2 o'clock was 47.12. They sold us down to 47.08. Right now you're laying out there at 47.1950. And don't be surprised. We get another 4 minutes as to it can either, give it up or get up another 10 points. My take on this is that, yeah, it's going to kind of close. Well, we're down 38 points. I expect, we'll probably be down like 30 points in 5 minutes. That would be saying that you're going to go up about 10 points. Gold contract. What do we have in the gold contract? What we have with the gold contract is this. Gold contract out here got to a price point today of 13.09. Had wide price spread, had volume, all of the above. Pretty cool, okay, what gold did. That being said, bottom line is that it did exactly what it should have done, meaning you did a full counter trend move. That counter trend move, got you up to the 13.09. 13.05 was actually the number I was looking for. Now what I expect you're going to do, you can back down to 12.85, somewhere in that area. That would be building cause, however. You'd be building cause to get up and over the downdraft that had been out here since the October 4th level, which is 13.15. Silver, same type of setup inside the silver market. We had with silver out here. silver market got to a price point of $18.75. We did 76,000 contracts, which is great contracts. Bottom line, same type of setup. I expect you're going to build some cars to get up and over that downdraft. Notes and bonds, the way notes and bonds are set up, they want higher price, lower yield. The 10-year note out here today, what we did, 10-year note, we did 1.4 million contracts. That's dynamite contract value, by the way. You are inside the higher range. Now, inside the higher range, meaning that you're inside $129.26. You get inside that range, guess what, man? This thing wants to get up to the 131.24. Bottom line, that's your 10-year. Your 30-year is a little bit tougher. 30-year is trying to make it inside that range. It's going to have to build a lot more cars to get inside that range. That's 164.13. And good old King Dollar. Let's take a look at King Dollar. So what we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar came down to a price point today of 97,175. We closed out at 97,435. So what you have here is that King Dollar got into its strength from October 7th. So October 7th, folks, the high of October 7th is 97,215. It comes into that area. That had 49,000 contracts. It rejected that area. That is saying good old King Dollar is going to bounce also. Now, my take here with King Dollar is that it did exactly what it should have done on the way up. Meaning it didn't finish the whole ABC structure. The full ABC was 100.770. We did 99.090. But it looks to me like, I suspect, if King Dollar bounces up to like 98.225 and you have lighter volume, guess what? That means King Dollar is going to end up with a failure, and it's setting up a small ABC structure on the way down. We go over to Facebook again. We look at Facebook. Facebook closed at 127. It's trading 125. Let's see what they have to say out here. So the estimate was 97 cents. They made $1.09. That is the bottom line estimate. Top line revenue number, the estimate was $6.92 billion. They took in $7 billion. So bottom line is that they made the numbers. We'll see where they end up trading this baby out. Thus far, it's down $2, and it was down $2 coming into the close out here. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.